Hi friend, today we'll write the program to find sum of even element in the given array. First we write the class name, then main method, then define the variable int integer even sum equal to 0 and write the list of array int a is equal to new int list of array like 3 4 7 7 2. Then use for loop for define the range of array. Then use if else statement for even sum. If array of I is modulo 2 and remainder is equal 0, then it is even number. Then even sum is equal to even sum plus array of ith index. Then print that element. The sum of even element in the given array is even sum. Save the program and run the program. Sum of even element in the given array is 16. That's it.